some recording today. I'm going to sing a song called We Are One. But I'm a mum, so I have to still cook for the kids. So I've made some chickpea curry. There's some veg there. And then rice and peas. Because it's a Sunday. We are one. Follow me. We are one. We are one. So this is day 2 of the recording of We Are One, because there are just a few bits we want to come back and fix. We are one, and that's the way it is. One. But it's still doing that funny thing, yeah?